Right, so my iPhone 5 battery was dying. So I looked on eBay and found this battery, and I was impressed. It claimed to have 2,680 milliamp hour capacity. So I bought it, and it just came in the mail today in packaging, wrapping thing. Came from Sweden. And let me show you the original battery, which only has, let's see, 1,440 milliamp hour. This is the original Apple battery I removed from iPhone 5. And first impression is it's the same size. Same size, same thickness. So let's see if it weighs more or less, or what it is. So we got 0.9 ounce. Right. On the camera, 0.9 ounce for this gold battery, original battery, same weight, 0.9 ounce. And let's see, I have here is also a aftermarket battery, also from eBay, and it claims to have 1440 milliamp hour, which is the same as the original battery. At least it's not saying it's better, right? And let's see how much it weighs. 0.9 ounce, exactly the same. So this is a false claim, because in order for battery, this is, it says 2,680. The original is only 1,400 something, so it's almost twice as much capacity. And in order for battery to have more capacity, it has two things have to happen. Okay, it either has to be bigger. In this case, it's not. It either has to be bigger, or it has to weigh more. And it doesn't weigh more, weigh the same. So this is a false claim. Right? It has to weigh more for the same volume, because it needs to be more dense in order for it to have a higher capacity. So it's not bigger, it doesn't weigh more for the same volume, so for sure it's not 2,680 milliamp hour. Alright, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to peel the gold wrapper thingy to see what we have inside here. And I've never done this before, and this is going to be the first time I do this on the camera. Let's see what we got here. There's nothing here. There's no writing. Nothing. So it's I believe basically what it is just one of these, you know, aftermarket battery with the gold wrapper. It's exactly the same. Looks exactly the same. Let's see how much it weighs after the gold wrapper is removed. Oh my god, 0.8. See that? 0.8 ounce. Wow. It's even way less than the original battery. That is original battery. So if you order one of these gold thing, demand your money back. It's not what it is. It's just a wrapper with a claim on it. But that's it. It's no better. It's even worse. And who knows what is inside this thing here. And when you have it, just plug it in. Try and test run it. Try it right away. Don't wait, because if you don't file this build and wait for too long, you run out of time. So if you bought one of these, you are scammed. Alright folks, and that's all I have. Thank you for watching. Right, before I go, I'll show you a couple of lithium-ion rechargeable batteries I have here to prove my point. So they are the same. These are 18650 batteries, right? And they are all the same size, same volume. Okay, so one of these battery has higher capacity than the rest of them. And there's one way I know which one it is to weigh them, because they are the same size. And for one of these to have higher capacity, it has to weigh more, right? So let's weigh it. Let's weigh this one first. 1.5 ounce. And let's weigh this one. 1.6 ounce. Let's weigh this one. 1.7 ounce. That's 1.5 ounce. So this is how I know this battery here is a Samsung ICR 18650. It has higher capacity. It's a newer battery, by the way, so it has higher capacity than the rest of the battery. So I'll show you again. This one is 1.5 ounce, while this one is 1.7 ounce, and that is about 12.5% more in weight. So that's why it has more capacity, because it's packed more stuff in it, more lithium and other things in it than the rest of the other batteries. Right? So it's got to be, for the same volume, it's got to be more dense, meaning it weighs more for the same volume, in order for it to have more capacity. Alright, that's all I have. Thank you for watching.